What's up, Doinks? Welcome back to Sudoku Joy. My name is Sudoku. Today, we're going a couple weeks back to Artisanal Sudoku, volume 196 with Astrolabe, or Astrolabe, possibly, alternate version by James Sinclair. We have normal Sudoku rules apply. We have arrows, renban, and square and shaded squares. Okay, so normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9, every row. Whoa, bad draw on lines. Still bad draw on lines, columns, and every 3 by 3 box. These arrows, so the digits along the arrow have to sum to the connected circle. So these 3 digits have to sum to that. They can repeat if other Sudoku rules allow. Then we have the pink renban lines. So the digits along this pink line have to be consecutive, non-repeating, and in any order. So it could be 1, 2, 3. If the digits are 1, 2, and 3, it could be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, etc. And then last but not least, these squares have to be even, okay? That's all we got. So I'm going to restart the timer and get going. So immediately I'm just going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. So that way we know that it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 because the squares are evens. Okay, so this one, since it has 2 evens, I think it has to be the 2 small ones, right? Because if it could be 2 and 6, actually. It could be 2, 6, and 1 to be 9. But it could never, the 8 cannot be one of the digits. It could be 2, 4, or 6. But I don't think that's possible with, because this can't be, it can't be 2, 6. Because if there was 2, 6, this would have to be 3, 4, 5, and then this. No, this could be 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. No, that's right. Okay. I was talking gibberish. Okay. So these 3 digits see each other. These 3 digits see each other. So this, and this have to be, can only be 7, 8, or 9. This cannot be an 8. Because if it's an 8, what could these be? Nothing. Okay. Similarly with these. And just like this, it could be 2, 6, and 1. Wait a minute. These can actually be 6s. Sorry, not just 7, 8, 9. Because if this is a 6, it could be 2, 3, 1. This cannot be a 6, though. Because if there's 2 evens, then the smallest it can be is 7. This one could be a 6 with a 1, 2, 3 triple. 7, 8, 9, yes. And this could be a 6. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. Messed up a little bit, but that's fine. So this cannot, if this is a 2, yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so then we know we have to have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 over here. 9s cannot be on there. 9 cannot be on there. So 9 has to be over here, which means it has to be paired with a 9, and then this has to be paired 6, 8. So that can't be a 6, 8. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm okay. I agree with that. So I can remove that 7 and then these 7s. Now, this is a 6. This cannot be a 6 anymore. Because if it was a 6, it would have to be with a 1 and a 3. 1, 3, and 6 adds up to 10. So this is now 2, 4. 4. Can these be 5s? Yeah, not with a 4 though. It could be 2, 5, 1. Yeah, that's fine. So that's 7. So that's 2, 4 pair now. So I can remove 2, 4 from there. That's now a 6, 8. And this is a 6, 8. Okay. But if this has to be an even, and that's a 6, or if this is an 8, this would have to be a 6, but this would also have to be a 6 to work with the renban. So I can place this as a 6, this one as an 8, and then this one as a 4. So then I can put a 5 there, delete that. Okay. So then this can't include a 6, so this is going to be a 7-9 pair, which puts this as a 1 2 3 triple. So then this is going to be a 6. Okay. I'm going to say, as I often do, I think, because I'm not certain. Okay. Okay, let's give this a shot. So if the only options would be 1 5 2 4. This one cannot be a 5, so that can't be a 1. So it'd be a 1 2 4 2 4 5. Does that? 1 2. I'm okay. All right, so what can this be? This could be a 3, and that'd be a 1. This could be, cannot be a 4. It can be a 5 with a 1 or a 3. It cannot be a 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay, so this is a 3 or a 5. Yeah. So then this is 4, 1, 1, 3. Okay, so 5's down there. I don't love the way that's looking, but okay, so let's figure this out. So this is a 2 4 1. What could this be? I don't know. What if it's a 2 6 1? Then this could be 3 4 5, and then this could be 7 8 9. Yeah, that works. Okay. 2 4 1 doesn't work, but 2 6 1 does work. So that's going to be a 1. Oh, going to delete that and put 1 there. And then, okay, going to delete that and then remove the 4s from there. Then remove that 1. Okay, so 1s are now down at the bottom, so this is not a 1. Okay, so then this has to be, if with a 7 8 9 here, these have to be a 3 4 5, and then these are 7 8 9. Okay, I think that all makes sense. 2 6 1, this is now a 9. So I can delete this 9. Okay, and we're just going to do what we did down here with the 6s. So that can be a 1 8, 2 7, 3 6, 4 5. This can't be a 4, so that's not a 5, not a 5, not a 4, not a 6, not a 3. Okay, but then also 1 2 3, so that can't be a 1, so that's not an 8, that's not a 2, that's not a 7. Okay, 6 7 8 and 1 2 3. All right. All right. Okay, so now can this be an 8 anymore? Or does this have to be a 7? 2 and 4 adds up to 6, and then it would have to be another 2. So this is going to be a 1, and then this is now a 7. So I can delete that 6 and that 6. That's a 2 4, so this can no longer be a 1. That cannot be an 8. Okay, and I'm going to delete that 7. Okay. with a 2, 4, where is the 3 going to be on this, in this box? Has to be here, right? Yeah, this has to be the 3. Which places a 2 here, and this is now 7. Then I can delete this 3. So 7 is either going to be here or here. I can pencil mark that. So then the 7 is going to be there. Two, 3, 4. So this is going to be either 5, 6 and a 7, 8, 9, or 5, 6, 7 and an 8, 9. Okay. So I can pencil mark 6s here. One, two, okay, so I can do 6s here. This is a 1, 2, 6, and 8 now. Okay, so this has to be, it can't include a 6, so this is going to be a 2, 4, and 5. Right? Is that right? No, it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if it was a 2, 4, 5, it would have to be 2, 4, this sees 2, 4, and 5. So this is going to be a 1, and then this is now a 2, 4. 4 see that. So this is going to be a 2, that's a 4. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. And then, so this is now a 1, 6 pair, and I can place an 8 here. So then I have 7s block this one off, that blocks this one off, so this is a 7. And then I can do a 3, 5. And these, see this? So this is going to be the 3, that's a 5. So I can delete that 5 and that 1. Okay, so that's now a 2, 4 pair, 2, 4 pair, and a 2, 4 pair. A lot of 2, 4 pairs going on now, buddy. 1, 2, this is a 3, 8 pair. Lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be a 6, 9. Nice. This is going to be a 1, 4, 5. And then this is a 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That's 2, 4. So this should be a 3. That is not a 3. That is not a. That is not a 3. So this is now 1, 5 pair, which places a 3 here, 2 here, 1 there. Delete, delete, delete that 2. Okay, so this is 1, 5. That's 6. Plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this will be an 8, and then that's going to be a 2. So that's going to be a 4, 4, 2. That's a 4. Like that 4 and that 4. Okay. So this is now a 1. And this will be a 5. So that's a 3, 2. We have a 3. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. Oh, I can solve up here as well. 2 and 4. Need that 4. Okay. So the 8. Okay, so this has to be a 7, 8, 9 or an 8, 9. So if this is an 8, this can't be a 7. So this is going to be the 7. This is an 8. That's now a 9. And then this will be a 6, 9 pair. Nice. No. Sorry, 5, 6. Sorry, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there we go. And then we need a 3 here with a 9. 3, 4. Then this is going to be a 5, 8, and we can place that 5, 8. So that's going to be a 1, 5, 6, and a 1. Okay, so I can delete this 8. 3, 4. This is a 9. So that's going to be a 7, 9, 7, and 6 to finish off that box. All right, we're getting there. 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. 1, 2, 3 sees it, so this can no longer be a 6. 1 sees it, so this can't be a 7. This is going to be a 9. We can do 6, 9. That is not a 9. So then we have 6, 7, 8. 7 can only go here in the column. This is now a 6, 6, 8. I believe this is going to be a 2, 3, 4. 7's are gone. 1, 2, 3. This is a 4, 5, 7. And the only option without a 1, because it could be a 5, 3, 1 with a 9, but without a 1, it has to be 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be a 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and we can place that 4, 3, and 2. What's 5 and 4? Then we have 6 and 2, 8, 9, 8, 6, 7, 9, 5, 1, 4, 8, and 3. This is going to be 6, 8, 5, and 6, which puts a 5, 1, and a 7. All right, 1503. Nice work. I'm happy with that. Good stuff today.